Good morning from where we at? Where are we?
We're the Switchback Bar in Eureka Springs.
Here we are, Eureka Springs. It is a beautiful day today. Today is the nicest day we're gonna have. It's gonna get cold through the weekend, like 60s. So that's cold for us. Today,
but there is like
80.
a little bit of chance of rain. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, a little bitty chances, kind of all over the place. But yeah, just like Daytona, right? It's gonna rain all week. It rained hardly any.
Right.
So don't let that interrupt your plans.
Yeah, like you said, no rain tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday.
Anyway,
cool.
We are getting ready to hop on the bikes. We're headed into Eureka Springs because Switchback is like 8 miles outside of Eureka Springs, the town. So it's a great little ride. So we get to ride in, and then we're gonna go to the first off to the dealership. We've got some peoples there to see, lots of businesses, lots of vendors.
Introduce you guys to some businesses.
So stay tuned for that. But first, we gotta get the bikes fired up and head out. So,
yay!
Look at Mama, she's rocking and rolling back there.
I am ready to go.
She's ready to go, anxious. Here we go. All right, so we came to Eureka Springs Harley Davidson, and I haven't recorded anything because we hopped off the bikes and people started talking to us, and we've been talking the whole time, and now we're headed off to eat. So we're headed to the Rockin' Pig to eat. Oh, you're good. Go ahead, fire up. Anyway, that's where we're headed. We're gonna go meet up with a group and get some lunch. All right, so the whole crew came with the Rockin' Pig, had a burger. Their food's awesome. Here comes the crew out. We got Witchcraft Cycles in the house.
Hello.
Jay right behind her. Go check them out. You're good. Go check them out on YouTube, both of them. They're tubers. We got more tubers with us somewhere. When they come out, I'll show you. There's Minnesota. Minnesota in the house. Minnesota. Don't you know, eh?
Eh?
Eh? All right. Almost Canadian, almost. That close. All right, the rest of the crew's coming out.
That's why I put a chain on mine.
Where can they see you at?
Oh, you can see me on YouTube. Go see Road Rush Nation. I've got some good videos. Ride safe, people.
Another tuber. Jay, where can they see you?
Jay Swordsman, YouTube, Instagram. I got a Facebook group, but I don't mess with it too much.
All right, go check them out. Witchcraft Cycles.
Wait a minute,
in the house.
Did you call us a tuba or a tuber?
You're a tuber.
Okay, I just was asking. I wanted to clarify that.
That's content creator to you.
Whatever you want.
Oh,
they can call whatever they can call themselves whatever they want. It's their damn channel. All right, y'all. So we are here. We are at It's a Match Cottages. So this is just a couple of miles away from Switchback. Also, I'll show you better over there. I ran through a spider web. Look at me. Anyway, that's how close to nature you are. You run through spider webs. But the lake is right over there. You can see it through the trees. So it's really close to the lake. It's like 9 miles from Eureka Springs, 2 miles from the Switchback, and it's an awesome ride. So you guys have to come check this place out. We're gonna go check out one of the cottages, but here's what it looks like from the front. So they have the 2 cottages side by side. I believe she said you could sleep 12 in there. They've got a big backyard, so you can have your cookouts. You can park your trailers. So if you're trailering your bikes down, you come here, stay, park your trailer, truck, get your bikes out, and go for a ride. Anyway, let's go check out the actual inside of this place.
So it's the exact mirror of Cottage 1. Come on in. So we've got a fun retro vibe in here. Lots of room to hang out, all of the games and activities you could possibly want. And 2 separate bedrooms with your own dedicated bath.
Check it out. There's your kitchen. There's your backyard. I see a barbecue grill. Look, they got a couple of fire pits. Yard games. Yeah, come check it out. Look at this.
I can smell. What kind of wood is this?
It's pine.
Is it pine?
Yes.
It smells good.
Now my husband would probably correct me, but we're going with pine.
Look at that. Another bedroom. Got your bay window. There's a better view of the lake. See the lake over there? How cool is that? You can sit here, have your coffee or your fireball, and check out the lake down there. What a cool place. And they're on supportbikers.com. They have their free business listing. If you own a business, biker owned, biker friendly, go on supportbikers.com, get your free listing so that we can send bikers there to find your business as well. All right, y'all, how cool was that place? Now, here's the back. So they have porches back here. They have a circle drive, so you can pull in here. You can literally park your truck and trailer back here, unload your bikes. You got a fire pit here, picnic tables, fire pit over there, a big backyard, so you can hang out, have a few drinks, have a bonfire, chill out and enjoy Eureka Springs. This place is freaking awesome. The price is fabulous too. All right, so we made a quick run into none other than the Cats. We're gonna hang out here a few, watch some of the music, and then back to the Switchback. They've got a really cool band there tonight, so we're gonna check it out as well. But yeah, we're at the Cat House for a little while. One of the best places to hang out when you're in Eureka Springs. Anyway, let's go see if we can find... What's up, man? What's going on? There's my wife. I found her.
It's about time you got here.
We've been here
We've
forever.
been waiting on you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, has he? Oh, all right.
Naked Jake up on the
I'm just
stage,
giving it a shit,
giving us some tunes.
Thanks. I know you're the front police.
Bikes all lined up here at the Cat House. There's Maria's famous headbands. You saw them in Daytona. Looks like he's down there recording a video. Of course, you got the Cat House stuff all here. Got all your bikes parked up front. Kind of the most famous picture of the Cat House, right? All the bikes up front.
The whole time I was sitting there, those fuckers are shooting over the highway. Come to get there, come to find out, he just blew it up and it bounced off his windshield about 40 feet. Unreal. Baby,
Smell the
you know this song?
feel the sky.
Oh, you're feeling it? You know, you're going to
Let your soul and spirit fly into the
I knew I didn't hit.
All right, y'all, that is a wrap for day one of Spring Fling. And it was a cold ride from the cat house here. My hands are probably really red and cold. And Mama rode with me. She left her bike here. Thank goodness she did. She could tuck in behind me and stay a little bit warm. But it went from like 80 degrees to, when we looked at the cat house, it was 54, but I'm pretty sure it was colder than that. But anyway, no real rain today. Pretty good day. Thanks for watching. We'll get up and do it all again tomorrow. We got a bike show tomorrow. We got our meetup tomorrow. Tomorrow's a busy day. So we will see you tomorrow.